Hello friends, I am Sir Rohit Tehilramani, indirect tax expert at ClearTax. Today I want to talk to you about two important notifications recently issued by CBIC. The first one is 67/2020 that seeks to grant waiver or reduction in the late fees for not filing of GSTR4, and the other one is 68/2020 that seeks to grant waiver in the late fees, or it is a reduction in the late fees for not filing of GSTR10 within due date. So let's talk about first the late fees reduction or waiver in case of GSTR4. As we all know, GSTR4 was the quarterly return. It was introduced in July 2017 for composition taxpayer until March 2019, after which they had issued a new form CMP08 which was used to make payment of the liability for composition taxpayers on a quarterly basis, and GSTR4 became annual return. So now what they have come up is they have reduced the late fees, and it is maximum 500 rupees, that is 250 CGST, 250 SGST. Okay, so maximum late fees is now 500 rupees for any GSTR4 not filed up till March 19, from July 17 to March 19. Though they have mentioned in the notification it is for March 2020, but GSTR4 was annual for April 19 to March 20, and the due date is 31st October. So here also the due date is 31st of October. Like, this is the condition for getting this benefit, that you should be filing this GSTR4 from 22nd of September to 31st of October. Now a question arises, if I have filed before this time, what happens? Do I get a refund of my late fees or do I get credit? As such, government has not clarified anything like that, and with the experience of the previous time, whatever we have seen, I do not see that coming up, but let's still wait and watch. But we cannot be considering that this something of this sort will be coming. And also in the same notification they have given another relief. If the GSTR4 is nil, like for any particular quarter it is nil GSTR4, then the entire late fees is waived. So if in case you have not filed GSTR4 and you do have some tax liability, then the late fees is maximum 500 rupees, and if in case the GSTR4 is nil, there is no late fees. The only condition is you should be filing it before 31st October 2020. Now coming to the second important notification, that is for GSTR10. GSTR10, also known as the final return, is the return that is to be filed on cancellation or surrender of the GSTI. Like when you surrender your GST number or your GST number is cancelled, GSTR10, that is the final return, is required to be filed. Many people, many CS tax experts and businessmen did not know this, and that is why they forgot to file. The due date is 3 months from the date of cancellation or the date of order of cancellation. But many people, as were not aware, they only got to know this when they got notice from the department. By that time their late fees had become 10,000 rupees, 5,000 CGST, 5,000 SGST, and they were not so keen on paying this and do this compliance. So the government understood this, and they have come out with a relief that if you have not filed GSTR10, you can file that by 31st December 2020, and the maximum late fees that will be charged will be 500 rupees. So this is a good window of opportunity. The only condition is the GSTR10 should be filed between 22nd September 2020 to 31st December 2020. So if you file between this period, the maximum late fees charged will only be rupees 500. If any of your GSTN is cancelled or any of your clients GSTN is cancelled and GSTR10 is pending, do avail this opportunity and make this compliance good. Also, don't get confused about the dates. For GSTR4, the waiver is given only if you file up to 31st October, and for GSTR10 it is up to 31st December. Okay, so these are two important notifications that have given a chance to the taxpayers who have not been able to comply fully with GSTR4 and GSTR10. So take this opportunity and file these returns. Also, to know more about taxes and savings, do visit our YouTube channel and check out so many videos that we have made for your knowledge purpose. And also do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you are always updated with any new video that we publish. Thank you.